Bless upon yourself, my people. You know what I mean? You don't know, say, big things are going on TikTok live right now. Blamdem this Zuma. You see me, I say, run him off in shame. They must go hide in face. Yeah, man, as I see emoji, I cry. I saw Zuma just run off and go cry behind walls. You know what I mean? And about up himself after Blamdem deal with him. You see, so just watch and take in what I go on. Listen.
You can diss him now.
Yeah, man, Zuma.
Now size him up, man. In front of him. My pops and boy, in front of him like pussy.
Oh, your blood clot. You big old wave, man. I be a different.
I run game this up.
I rang one that.
Cancel it. Cancel it, no cancel it.
A team match.
Suck your man, Blamdem.
Dog, you're a tough bad man. You see a man you fight find a blood clot.
Hold on, everybody tap up his screen.
A man you fight find a blood clot. Suck your mother, Zuma. You're smarty, man. Tapping knife, man. Tapping knife, batty boy. Where you attack? Tapping knife, bro.
My side, come on. I will go over 1,000 Blamdem, man. My side, everybody tap up his screen. My side.
Big dab, you know. But on the tapping knife for now.
My
Tapping
side.
knife, bro. Tapping knife. Paper. Paper. Bad man, do paper. Them buying a paper. Not paper. Not see viral video with Bumbo class. Zuma, they war with man. A man in my war with a bad man.
A man in my war with a over
remember
man
say
in
my
my
rest of them
war
come
with
from
man.
downtown, you know. All of them are big batty man, you know, people. People, remember say me not tell lie, a big batty boy, them are people. Me can't tell you from me hard people. Well, them are some big Sadamangaro. Batty man that people. You can't agree with them big batty boy are people. Them boy are big cruff. A big Sadamite them are. Sadamangaro them are. Suck out in big stinking mama. Zuma go suck your mother and top chat off a big stinking batty mouth. You smarty Zuma. Go suck your mother bad man and top try size up and the killer them pussy. Yeah, batty man pops. Pops the 6 them broke. Grim YG them now no money. Just company internet go and let them rich. Take a nice picture and go and let them rich. Suck your mother pops. Buck to extra like money done. Buck to a batty man they make sign you. Remember say you suck T Marie pussy and she still take your Benz. So we
Blamdem go suck out your man.
Stop a nice boy.
Blamdem go suck out
Oh man,
your
stop a nice man.
dog, me not play about nothing with them boy, dog. Dog, me done. Last match me I play. Dog, where them batty man they attack for bad man. Dog, where them
suck your man Blamdem, you nobody youth.
Yeah, there have it from Blamdem. Yeah, man, right now, Mr. J British get Bringle and a this up Shalom. Look like he want to take things physical right now. So listen.
Yes, he said Shalom really not have no style and he really have no flavor. Shalom, I want all bite this dog. Me all time when me ride down in a place, man. Brawling, we don't know apology. So what kind of low John you chat, brother? All your count now, man, we don't know apology, man. Remember you chat the man them in a brother. You come talk about me live with my grandmother or what. So what me live with my grandmother? Me no live on no man house. No boy no make me run away from my place. I catch a one man house in a brother. I like the man business place, Shalom. And I like the man music where man make you stay in place. Just highlight the man record, brother, and highlight the man studio, brother. And stop yap up, brother. And answer Ganguli or we conking in your head brawling, brother. Or drop a song or highlight one of your little artists them around you, brother. Stop chase on the internet, brother. Remember, say you say you no play a match, you know, me can see it on all the public beggars, you know, brother. You see me? I'll go on the Shibada. Pan Shibada house top, you know, and gone pan Shibada kitchen now, you know, brother. And in a Shibada living room in a Shalom. Just hold your count, man, without no apology, brother, and stop call up my name, brother. Cause you call me name, me I go see, brother. So look pan what them say about Papi, look pan what girl I say about Papi, and you gone part Papi, brother. Stop company media, brother, and talk. Rum talk, and me see say you junk, you know. Cause you know, remember say you shit a bush in a Shalom. Remember good no man. Remember say you shit a bush in a brother. Remember that. In a care who want put on the tattoo. And a man me have tattoo upon me brother. And in a care me live with my grandmother, at least me live somewhere. You see me? Remember me not bring you in a my house, you know. Out the door me make you stay in and come give you 2 incense them, you know, brother. You understand me? Remember say if you true in a Remember, say, if you true, you go link world fish them, you know, brother. And you and world fish they lock up in a room, you know, brother. Remember, say, I beat your baby mother, you know, brother. And the other day, man, then come look for you, you know, brother. And step off of you, so stop tell lie upon Ramesh them youth. Remember, I beat up your baby mother, brother. And the man, them a say, brother, you make be nice in our community. That's why they call be a police for your youth. Remember, saying you're not stable, you're not shalom. Remember, catch a one man apartment in a youth. No way there, man. Just slow off of my name and go talk about Nia Nanky Pong and try help out and nothing production and give the warrior them some strength, brother, and stop talk. Be a company media, brother. And hold your conk in your big head. Remember, you can't make no step to me, you know, musical war me I deal with, you know. So if you want to take it physically, you take it physically. We don't know apology. Because remember, you know, Shalom, you nor Papi nor Law Boss can't make no step to me. Remember me I tell you that, brawling. So ever them a program your brother, just stop, brother. Because he not going to stop you, so. Because remember, for true, you know, my hand long. Even me not no money or who's where you say, just violate and see what happening in me either. We don't no apology. Remember, say, me not left from my ground yet in a Shalom. Remember, say, you are running, brother. And remember, say, a guilty go be there. You know. Don't slip up, Shalom. Don't slip up, youth.
Yes, so dear, have it from Mr. J British. But right now, Mother the artist Flex, I big him up and I glorify Mr. J British. So listen.
What am I deal with? G British. Some boy are just some system dog. Tell them say when I deal with system dog. What happened to them? Tell them say, we can't trick ourselves in front of ourselves. And we not trick ourselves in front of ourselves. What happened to them? Them for know what G British you said to the world. Shandilax, tell them now. Where you say?
Madam Mean, big up yourself, G British. Madam Mean.
Up and gunning. G British. I want to hear when them see with them see British. Gully side to your world, Shandilax, G British, big up yourself. Madam Mean. You know what thing go, not never on before your time, cause you know what thing go, you see it. Madam Mean. Up and gunning, G British. Big up yourself, you see it. Up and gunning. Flex in the complex. Gully side, Shandilax fully endorsed G British. Madam Mean, want to some shitish.
Yeah, man, so there you have it from Flex in the complex. Yeah, so moving on. I rate all this care man just stop and I give this man him flowers, respect due to him, you know what I mean? Him also give the man some money, you know what I mean? More money than what I normally pay for wipe the windscreen. You see it, so right there, so now we get some money if we go stock up in business more. So you see, say, and everybody out there still stay some kind of out, but this man just bless up the man, palm, and just tell him, say, continue to do what you do, youth. Yeah, man. And as you can see, say, the brother full of confidence within himself. Real hustler. You know what I mean? And right now, I know, say, God bless this brother who stop and give him this money. Say no more. So watch and listen for yourself.
Yeah, my boss, big up, not your lifestyle up and happy. So one more youth I'm proud of. My boss, me like how you usually wipe the windshield.
Yeah.
Now me see I also I'm gonna increase you.
Yeah.
Tell me about this.
Why I'm trying you and I try my best to stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
And try to make something because my baby mother and my youth.
Yeah.
Youth are 15, so I have to try.
Yeah.
And I got some friends on the street and tell me say, try youth.
Yeah.
Come there and try.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah. And then count this, how much me I give?
4.
Because more you're increasing the stock too, not only to wipe a windshield glass,
Yeah.
but by doing that, you want to try something else. Show me where you're also with now. This.
Wiper.
Yeah, and the chips, yeah. So you can buy water, juice, say increase the business.
Yeah, I'm going to try to increase the business now.
Yeah.
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 Come see you again and see me hello.
Yeah. Remember, brother, because you never know, me may have a $50,000 for you.
Alright.
Increase, I'm going to see you back, I may have $50,000 for you.
Alright, my boss.
You're going to make me proud?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, my boss.
Alright, my boss.
Now story come to bump because 119 have a message for Andrew Holiness. Yeah, man, yeah, when officer pertaining to the knockings and clappings that took place in Spanish Town and unalive one of the leader, you know what I mean? So you will have to tell me what you all think. Just leave it in the comment section.
If it wasn't for the gangsters and the dons, the entire Jamaica would be in chaos. If it wasn't for people like Tickman and the other name them we know, when me not call up nobody name, If it wasn't for them, Spanish Town would be in total disorder and disarray. Spanish Town is the only place that I go, that I can leave my car wide open and go anywhere and come back. I mean, not have to worry. I'm the only place in Jamaica where me can walk, dip on my phone, my high-end phone, any high-end phone, and you walk with it on your ears and you talk, and you have it in your hand, and you not have to fret, say somebody go grab it and run. It is not the government who do that. And no police and soldier do that. And it done. And it done do that. Because the government has proven that it is incapable of keeping us safe. And so the done is filling a void that the government cannot fill.
Thank you for watching, my viewers and subscribers, and those who haven't subscribed as yet. Yeah man, just subscribe, press the notification bell for more upcoming videos, and share, like, leave a comment. Yeah man, bless upon yourself. I'm out.